Hi, my name is Luis Ramos. I'm the owner and founder of Insul-Techs, Insulation Technicians, a specialty contractor. Here at Insul-Techs, we specialize from the traditional fiberglass insulation all the way down to the spray foam applications from closed cell to open cell. We provide services to commercial and residential, utilizing different types of insulation applications. We go out to the job sites to ensure the quality of our product, the quality of the installation is being properly completed. Our staff goes through training, classes, and seminars sponsored by our manufacturers. Some of the certifications we have are mold and lead removal. These certifications allows us to work on houses older than 1975, where lead is typically present. Right after high school, I started working in the trade for a company for 20 years. 2020, I decided to open up my own business. Saw the opportunity to grow, saw the opportunity to help others, and saw the opportunity to build a better lifestyle for my family and for others. When I started the business, it was just me. 4 years later, we are a total of 16 employees. We service the areas from the Napa area all the way down to Silicon Valley, San Jose, to San Francisco, and all the way up to Tracy. Customers are fearful of being oversold. We make sure the client is clear on the job ahead. Equipment that separates us from the competition are our spray foam rigs, full equipped with everything that is needed in the field. Our equipment is state of the art, which a lot of the competitors do not have. If you're in need of a quality and professional insulation services, give us a call here at Insul-Techs.